Hello and welcome to Villa 2. Here's a quick video with some tips and tricks to checking in and ensuring a wonderful stay in Casa, Oceana. As you head up the steps, you'll see that the entrance door is here on the left, where we have a lockbox and a digital keyless entry for you. Upon entering the home, all you'll need to do is enter the passcode, which will be given to you either the day of check-in or the day before. You push the numbers and then push unlock. To lock the door, all you need to do is close the door and then push the lock button and it'll automatically lock for you. Upon entering the home, all you need to do is open the door here. You'll see we have an entranceway with some light switches in case you're arriving at night, and also some general information in our welcome packet located here. The living room has fans, which feel free to keep on all the time to have cross ventilation. And during the day, when you're not using the air conditioning, you can feel free to open the doors as they do have screens and let in the wonderful ocean breezes. Over here, we have our AC, central AC panel, which controls the living room and also the air conditioning for the downstairs master suite. Looking at the panel, it's very, very simple. All you need to do is go here. Right now, the temperature is showing the ambient temperature of the room because it's off. All you need to do to turn it on is switch it to cool, and it's already preset to drop for you. The fan icon here, you can always leave it in auto. That way, when the system is off, the fan will also turn off. And then when you guys are done and leaving for tours for the day, all you have to do is switch it off, and the system will turn off automatically. You don't need to change any of the numbers or settings. It's already preset to drop to a comfortable temperature for you. Just please make sure before you turn the AC on that you obviously have all of the doors and all of the windows closed in order to allow the space to cool quickly. A few details about the kitchen and living area. We do have an emergency light both located here and on the foyer on the second floor. This can be detached from the wall should we have an emergency power situation and you need light during the nighttime. A quick information about the kitchen. We do have a wonderful water filtration system provided here for you, and all you have to do is place your water bottle under here and either push hot, cold, or neutral, and you'll be able to have great filtered water that is safe to drink, so you don't have to buy so many bottles during your stay. We also have a refrigerator that also has a filter. As far as trash goes, you'll see we have several receptacles here. One is on the counter, which is for compost and all organic things. When this is full, you can just feel free to set it outside and our team will clear it out for you daily. As far as other trash, feel free to put all other trash in one of these two containers. And there's also a recycling container for all aluminum cans, glass bottles, and plastic bottles located in the laundry room. A little bit of information about our laundry room. Here's our laundry room. Each villa has one. On top here, we have all of our towels, which these are wonderful Turkish towels, which are very lightweight and great for drying off at the beach and shaking out. And once they are, wet and used, we recommend to just hang them over the chairs by the pool and they'll be dry within 30 minutes to use again. The water bottles down here at the bottom, these are emergency water bottles. They are from our well, so if you did drink it, it wouldn't be problematic, but they're really not for consumption. They are more for emergency in case, because our home is on an electric well, and should the power go off, that also means the water will go off. So we keep these here in case you need to emergency flush a toilet and fill the tank and or wash something in the sink in a moment that potentially we don't have water. A bit of general information about staying comfortable in our upstairs bedrooms. We do have the Jungle View guest and the Ocean View guest room, as well as the master suite. The control for the AC is in the master suite and is located on the wall on your right-hand side as you enter the room. Currently, we have the room set up family style, as we do have a family staying with us. Normally, these two beds would not actually be located in this room unless you have them requested. As far as the panel is concerned, all you need to do is keep the fan on auto, just ignore this side, go to the cool or off section and flip it to cool, and it'll turn on automatically. And when you're done and wake up in the morning and are ready to head out to tours, just flip it off. And the fan will turn off automatically. It's already preset to drop, so you don't need to do anything except for turning it from cool or to off. Quick tip to ensure that the rooms stay nice and fresh is to make sure before you turn the central AC unit that all exterior doors are obviously closed. And we also recommend to close all the bedroom doors because the vents are only located in the bedrooms and not in the hallway up to the third terrace. So sometimes if people turn the AC on and they leave this open, it takes much longer to cool this whole foyer than it does just the individual bedroom. So usually we recommend to turn the AC on about 30 minutes before you're going to sleep. It'll cool down very quickly with the doors closed and you'll be all set to sleep. One last thing regarding our wireless internet here, we do have fiber optic, and the password will be sent to you as well as in our information packet. The networks are the same both downstairs and upstairs, as we do have a router extender.